Gonna read this case.
And you get kicked in the
So what are you looking for, Don?
I'm looking for a gift with a red bow.
And it's the size of a door? Maybe. And he can't.
Ah! Okay. I was over here.
Really?
You were right underneath
Yeah.
it.
Bring it over.
What the heck is this?
Bring it over.
My guess is that it's supposed to go there.
Strategically placed.
Regardless of where I think it should go, my guess is that's where it goes.
He spent
I never saw
all
that.
morning not seeing this and then was told what it looked like and still couldn't find it.
Gee. Holy lordy! This was from Anne.
No, it's for me, my dear.
Eh? But Anne Worley painted this. Oh, Anne Worley. Wow. This was at Anne's, right?
Yes. What do you have to say?
Oh wow.
Well, thank you very much.
And to Anne. And to Anne.
Well, I do like that.
Yeah, that's cool.
He fell in love with that when he first saw it.
Yeah. Has she ever got some beautiful paintings down there that she's done? She's done some amazing work. Just beautiful. That is beautiful. So yeah. What a nice place for it to go.
Don wants to put it in his bathroom by his bathtub.
Wow. Is that ever nice?